Hello everyone, my name is Shan. I was just inside a bomb experiment. So now we're gonna make our own glow-in-the-dark planetarium. So now let's start. So let's start making. So I'm gonna tell you what you need first. You need a knife, which is not for kids to play. You need to ask your parents. You need to ask your mom or dad to cut the things from these plastic pots. And we need the plastic ball pots, Saturn's ring, which is made of paper. Oops. The stand which will hold the planetarium. These standing things which will hold the planets. This metal stake which is the real thing that will hold the planet. See this? Paint and a paintbrush. And also, mostly important, you need to get the planets from these stencils. See these? There's A, B. So let's get started. So first, we have to build our planetarium to hold the planets, which we have right here. And I almost forgot to tell you about this sandpaper, which we need to rub it on the planets before we start painting. So this is the big round circle, and this thing will go into the hole right here. See it? Right here it goes. Then we are gonna put these things inside right here. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you that we can put them in order from longest to shortest, because if we do it like this, it might be complicated. So we're gonna sort them from longest to shortest. Okay? Oops. And also, I almost forgot to tell you that every of this thing has the name of the planet it has to be on, and how much far is it from the sun. So I'm just gonna put the metal stick back into this hole, which will be heavy, hard work. And also, these metal sticks will hold the planets. It'll take a long time. Pause the video, please. And if your hands are tired from putting this inside this stick, ask your parents to help you. And then let's get back to getting from the longest to the shortest part, okay? This is Neptune, which will take the sorting will take about 2 minutes or 5. So you can pause this video after you did, or you can skip it. Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, and Mercury. So this is now in order, and now I'm gonna put them from longest, from the backwards of the planets. First, I'm gonna put Neptune, then Uranus, then Saturn, until I'm finished. I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna stop until I'm finished. Then Mars, Venus, Earth. Then this is Venus, and this is Mercury. So now you put it up. So now I put it off these things, and now I need the sandpaper now, and I'm gonna rub it across it. Rub, 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 rub. Whoa! Ta-da! Now I'm finished rubbing and now I'm gonna paint. Now I'm gonna paint them. But before I'm gonna paint them, I'm gonna put them on these stuff. And then I'm gonna paint. Is that okay? Okay. So this is the sun and it has to come inside right here. It is in the middle. What's it? Wait a minute. So basically, I don't know which planet is Mercury or Venus or Mars or Jupiter or Earth or any of the planets. So I'm gonna teach you a song and how it looks like. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Venus is the second planet to the sun. Earth is the third planet to the sun, and Mars is the fourth, and Jupiter is the fifth. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun, and it's very far, so it might be cold. Its rings are made of ice, rock, and dust. And now we have another planet to go. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Uranus is a sky blue planet. It is very cold and it has ice on it. It has also another planet, the last planet to go. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Neptune is the last planet of the sun. It is very cold, and it only has gas. And there's no land or any rocks. It does have some ice, but it can melt. There was also so that's the end of the song, and I also have something to tell you. Fun fact: Pluto, a dwarf planet now, used to be a planet, but scientists say it's too far away and icy and too small. They say it's a dwarf planet. So Pluto was chosen to be the dwarf planet. So now I'm going to tell you how it looks like. These are mixed up, so I'm going to tell you how it looks like, and we'll find it by the look like. So for Mercury, it's very rocky, and this is very rocky, and we're going to put it right here. See this hole? See this hole here? It's very small, right? Because Mercury is very small and close, we're going to put them at the first place. Then we're gonna find Venus. Venus is it's bigger than Mercury, but about the same size as Earth. So no, this has to be Venus. And Venus is the second planet from the sun, so I'm gonna put it right at the second place. And Earth, we are living on Earth now, and also, well, we are on Earth to survive, because Earth has many things that we have, like lands and oceans. So I'm gonna skip that part. Now we're gonna do Mars. Mars is also rocky, but a little less rockier. I know. Little less rockier. Oh, and I forgot to put it on. And I forgot to put Earth on this. And also, Mars is also a little rockier. But a little rockier than Mercury. And it's the fourth planet
너무 길어서 녹화할 수가 없어. 빨리 하자.
of the planet. And now I'm going to put it right here. So then we're gonna do Jupiter. Jupiter is very big and it's like this. I can tell it by the looking. It's a gas giant. And this is Saturn. it has rings on it, but I'm gonna put it later because I need to paint it. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna put it right here. And now we're gonna put Uranus and Neptune. So this is Uranus because it's very swirly in its eyes, and these swirls look like ice. So I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, stupid planetarian. Then we're gonna put Neptune, which is very far away, and I can tell it by this because this is the last plastic piece. Put it right here. Now paint it. Whoa! I'm finally done. And be careful of this, it's not dried yet. And you have to wet before it dried. And also, I'm gonna say something in part 2 about the solar system. And I promise you about the glow in the dark thing. And I will do it. And I'll promise to do it in part 2. And also, you can do any color you want in the planets. And be careful of this. If the paints are not dried yet and they are stuck together, the paint from those things that are stuck together will disappear. So be careful of that, and bye, and I'll see you later.
이름 좀 한 번 더 얘기해달라니까.
Forgot. And also, this is Mercury. This is Venus. Oh, I forgot. I think I'm getting complicated. This is the sun. This is Mercury. This is Venus. This is Earth. This is Mars. This is Jupiter, which is one of the gas giants. This is Saturn with the rings. This is Uranus, which is also a gas giant, and this is Neptune, which is also a gas giant with chunks of gas. So I'll say something in part 2, and I'll see you soon. Bye.